Persians love Bal Kaboby, the grilled chicken wings. And I'll show you an easy way to perfect these wings by butterflying the wing segments to ensure they're completely charred and crispy while cooking evenly. This is a technique, by the way, that comes from Japanese Yakitori. Will become your favorite Mazzeh. In fact, your chilled vodka and cold beer have never had a better companion. Let's make it. If you're using whole wings like this, first you're gonna separate the sections and trim it. I would first get rid of the tip, then separate the flat from the drumette. I put down this piece of wing, the flat, so that this little triangular piece of skin is on the right side. There are two bones in the flat part of wing, and they're attached, a joint here and joint here. First thing you do, you want to separate both those joints so the bones are not attached anymore. So now we put it back down. Again, this little triangular skin is on the right. Find the bone on the right side and go just to its left and cut the meat and go down, but stop at the skin. See, this skin shouldn't be cut. And then you do the same on the right side of that bone, same way. And then you kind of stretch it. There's another bone here, so we do exact same thing to the left of it. On the right side of that bone, make sure this is separate too. Right there, this is your butterflied flat. To butterfly the drumette part of the wing, I start by removing the skin. You see a random mass of meat around this bone. Our job is just to push them enough to the side that the bone is sitting there by itself. This is as good a butterfly as you can get with a drumette. Next, we pre-marinate the butterfly wing pieces in sliced onions that have been crushed with a pinch of salt. The creamy yogurt saffron marinade for these wings is almost identical to the one used for traditional Joojeh Kabob. And here's your chance to screenshot and save the recipe for this marinade. Next, we're going to mix creamy marinade into the wings and onion that were sitting there. "30 minutes before we are ready to grill the chicken, we remove the wing pieces from the marinade. Flat pieces are going to be put on 1/4 inch wide sharpened skewers. You're going to go under the bone and make sure you don't break skin under it. For the drumette pieces, we're going to use a wider sharpened skewer. Wider because the bone's bigger and it weighs more. So you start from one side and just get as many pieces of that dangling meat as you can, and you end up with something like this. And again, like all the kebabs we make sure you know where the effective heat zone of your grill is. We're gonna grill for about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side, and then turn and grill another 3 minutes. And then we'll start basting with our saffron butter sauce. If you get any flare-ups, just move your skewer for a few seconds and you should be fine.